western Brunswick County in southeastern North Carolina, eastern Horry County in northeastern South Carolina until 12:15 a.m. At 11:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Little River entrance, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include North Myrtle Beach, Charlotte, Sunset Beach, Holden Beach, Ocean Isle Beach, Little River, Iredell, Carolina Shores, Calabash, Gracetown, Seaside, Ruffdown, and Brooksville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Here are the 11 p.m. observations. In Wilmington, fog was reported.
Hit the transmitter?
The temperature was 55 degrees. The dew point was 54, giving a relative humidity of 96%. The wind was east at 12 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.84 inches and falling. Here are the weather conditions around the Carolinas. At Jacksonville, fog was reported with a temperature of 50. Yes, Elizabethtown, rain and fog were reported with a temperature of 52.
Thankfully, my home, we didn't lose.